You don't have a skate park? Now you do have a skate park. Oh wow, this is new. It's the best, the best. All right guys, I'm super excited because today I got a box. It's really heavy. This is not a box that somebody's gonna throw at me, so sorry, the original intro is not gonna occur. And I can't open this box with something crazy. So today, look, in the first time in Braille history, I'm opening it with a proper box opener. And I'm excited because guess what's in here, Chloe?
A rail.
Chloe already knows. It wasn't even a guess, it was a knowingness. This is a rail, which I'm stoked on. And I'm really excited to have a rail and to see what's in here. And to bring a rail to this skate spot in downtown San Francisco, where all of the shredders can come and shred. I've been thinking about just doing, leave it in the comments below if you guys think this is a good idea or not. I could just do skate lessons here. Just like, hey, if you want a skate lesson, come down to the Embarcadero and come and skate with me. I'm sure there's a better way to, how does one, oh yeah, like that, right? Okay, so open this bad boy up. I wanted to get the smallest, most transportable, easiest, best little rail I can move around. So I got this one. Huge shout out to Transformer Rails, give them a follow. Oh wow, this is new. This is new technology. This did not exist before. Look at that. That's like an anti-slip. Of course it's anti-slip and I put it right on the wax. Bad, Aaron, don't do that. We also have Transformer Whales on our website. Transformer Whales and Rails. We got both. We got a whale that transforms into a snorkeling scuba diver. So one thing I did not know if it was going to exist or not is that if it was going to come with the tools, but it does. You see that right there? All tools needed are included. And I'm not totally sure what each of these pieces are for, but we're going to learn. So no matter where you're skating, you have stuff that you can set up in front of your house. Wow, B. This definitely goes somewhere important. And these Transformer rails are really, really good. These are the pieces to lock it in place. Yeah, so cool. I think it's so cool that they did this. We would always be trying to figure out ways to like put things on them to make sure the rail doesn't slide on the ground. Because if the ground is slippery and this is just flat metal, it will slide away. You don't want that. So this is not just a rail, but it's a rail that can also transform into a ledge, which is what I want the most. It says, read this. So we're not gonna read it because that's how we do things. So good. See that? So you can put it up and you can skate this part, which is obviously a rail. Or you can put it sideways and skate this part, which is obviously a ledge. Or you can put it up this way, which is like a flat rail. Three different versions. Yeah, it's so cool, right? And they have bigger ones, but I was like, I want the smallest one, the smallest, most easily transported one you've got. This is probably the point where I should read the directions. Rail support, height adjustment. Okay, let's see. The question is here, can I figure this out without directions?
Absolutely not, no question.
No?
No.
You doubt me?
Yes. Aaron, just read the directions.
Read this. Do not use rail without securing bolts. Ensure bolts are tightly as in all caps and underlined, secure before use. Do not cross thread nuts and bolts. What does that mean? Do not cross thread nuts and bolts.
I don't know.
Yeah, you're right. I should definitely make sure I'm doing the right thing here. Okay, parts included. 1, insert bolt into upper leg with rail supports facing in the same direction as the bolt. Looks like that. I think, yeah, like that, right? Push bolt into hole and into frame and twist until the bolt grabs the threads of the receiving nut. If there is resistance, do not force the bolt. This can cause cross-threading. If bolt does not screw in, remove completely and repeat step 2. Cinch with 3/4 inch wrench. I mean, that's pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
It's looking pretty good. Okay, so I see how this works. I think anyways. Pretty straightforward though, right?
Yeah.
I said the most important thing is you get that really tight in there. So you don't want to be skating this thing and have it like move or fall.
No way.
That would be no bueno. Okay, now you have this little guy here, right? So then we're gonna pop the leg on. And it's height adjustable. So we can go, well, this is the lowest it would go. Boom.
Wow, they really made it easy.
Yeah. Shout out Transformer Rails, follow them on Instagram. Good, so cool. Okay, I love this, I'm stoked. You don't have a skate park? Now you do have a skate park at your house.
And now it's fully assembled? That's all you gotta do?
That's it.
Wow.
And let's see, those things really work. That's so cool.
So then how do you adjust it for the other side and stuff?
Well, I think what I'll do, I want to do like a board slide or two. Just get my little board slide on.
Yeah.
And then we'll change it and we'll show like each of the different ones.
Okay, good.
But this is cool, right?
It is so cool, actually. I'm so impressed with how easy it was to assemble, too.
You were so impressed that I was able to assemble it. Just tell them, just like, whoa, he actually didn't even break it. First try board slide, no warm up.
Maybe a little warm up.
Maybe second try. It's funny, I was expecting it to be like really sticky, and when I first jumped on, it was really fast. And then the second time I was like, oh, it's really fast, lean forward, and it was sticky. Okay, look at that, christened. See that, Chloe?
Ooh, so cool.
So that's the rail, right?
Yeah.
And now I think should we move it into the other, let's show all of the variations of this rail.
Okay.
Okay, so this is round rail version, and then we'll show the next one. But I think we should play a game with this. You ready?
Which one is best?
No, I already know which one is best. I'm just so biased. Oh, how many tricks I could do would be good.
Yeah.
I was thinking we set a timer and see how long it takes me, like a pit crew.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
You ready?
Yeah.
Boom. First I gotta figure out righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. I am the worst pit crew. If you guys are ever in NASCAR, don't invite me.
Oh, wow.
I realize I'm supposed to be doing this fast, and I'm like, again, if you're ever in NASCAR.
Well, you're just learning. This is your first
We're just
time.
learning. It's my first time. There we go. There we go.
Wow.
2 minutes, 9 seconds.
Not bad.
Come on. But these things right here, this is revolutionary. I just got to give a big shout out to Transformer Rails for this right here. It's really tightly on there piece of rubber that stops these legs from moving, sliding on the ground. So when you go to do your trick, if you land like a bit sideways on the rail itself doesn't slide, which can get really dangerous, right?
Yeah. Brilliant.
Now you got the flat bar style, which some people, there's a big debate against the skaters. Some skaters like this, some skaters like the round rail. Some skaters think this is easier. Some skaters think the round bar, because they can lock in with their trucks. Personally, I'm going this way over the round bar all day long. Safer. Okay, board slide, first try.
Yep.
No warm up. Again, super slippery. Let's see how it is this way. Butter.
You want it super slippery, right?
Yeah, both.
Wow.
Wow, Chloe. I really gotta learn to skate again.
I thought that was good.
Yeah, me too. I thought it was good and then I realized it wasn't, just kidding. Okay, so that's the flat bar rail.
Mm-hmm.
So round rail, square rail, now we're gonna put it up into the ledge. See, reason I wanted this is because I wanted to make a bunch of tutorials for beginner skaters. And I wanted to have something easy that anybody could have access to no matter where you lived. You could get one of these, you could put it in front of your house and you could skate it up. So good. Okay, so now that I'm more indoctrinated into the ways, try this again. Set it up into the ledge this time, which might be tricky. I gotta think first how am I gonna do this? No, that's part of it, right?
Yep.
Boom.
Do you know the time you have to beat?
Yeah, 2:09.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, this thing works so good. I forgot. No! Come on, Aaron. Come on. NASCAR.
So this must be like a 5-foot rail, huh?
Yeah. I was thinking it was 6 foot, but I'm 6'2", and so probably about a foot shorter than me. But anyways, I just got the smallest one. I think they call it the mini. They definitely have much bigger ones.
Nice.
Boom.
How much time?
Done, and 1:43.
Dang.
I was trying to get it under a minute. In my head, it was under a minute.
Still pretty fast.
Still pretty fast. Okay, legendary.
It's a really cool product here.
Yeah, it's cool. So the thing that I wanted to point out that I realized when I was doing that is check this out. So you have these little pieces that stick out here. I don't know if you can see that. That stick out. So when you're making the rail sticks in between there. And then I was thinking, man, but that doesn't work for the ledge. But then when you put it to the ledge, it sits perfectly on top of there. This side here. So you see you have these things. So right here, it's holding the ledge up and it just sits perfectly on there, which is so cool. So I'm working on like a catalog of every skateboard trick. And I wanted to get a rail that would be nice and smooth, that I could very easily show grinds and slide tricks and do the slow motion and different angles. And I think this is a perfect little setup for me for teaching new people how to do those beginner tricks. So I just want to have this catalog that's available to everyone, and you guys can learn any trick you want to. So this ledge, this is where I live. And I'm wondering, like, how well does this thing grind with no wax? First try, no wax. Maybe I try board slide again first. So yeah, you could board slide this too, I realized. It's so wide. Of course I go, it's so easy for beginners, then I fall. Well, I'm a beginner. We're all a beginner. Chloe, I'm convinced you can do this.
No way.
Oh my God, it's so good. It's funny when it's like short, because I want like a longer grind, but the shortness of it like makes it easy to transport. So you see what I mean? Mm-hmm. Okay, I like it. It's the best, the best. I'm thinking of all the tutorials that I can do with this and the slow-mo angles that I could get.
Yeah.
So good. I suppose I should at least do a couple tricks on it. Oh, I might need wax for the no slide. I'm so impressed though that this thing is not sliding. They really worked it out. That was the biggest problem with rails before. Is you hit it from the side, your weight's going this way, and it slides. They solved it. Woo! It's so short, I need a little bit of a longer grind. I need to get on earlier. But I always like to, when I'm skating a ledge, this is my focus. I sort of line myself up, and then I pop in the middle so that I know like where my depth perception is to hit that ledge right, to get it into the right spot, right? So I like to go halfway. All right, well, I want to give a huge shout out to Transformer Rails. Thank you so, so much. This rail is awesome. You guys should go follow them. Get yourself a rail, it's completely awesome. We do sell these on our website at brailleskateboarding.com. Get out there and push yourself and learn a new trick. This is skateboarding, it's for you, let's go.